I think everyone joined, right? Everyone able to hear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, your voice is audible.
Yeah, Sudarshan told we are unable to hear. Yeah, I think everyone able to hear, right? Thank you for joining again. So we'll complete further as soon as within 15 minutes our end-to-end testing. Okay. Now again I'm sharing. So now just I did for the scripting and everything is done. Assume now this script we want to execute in the multiple user point of view. So we are finished for the virtual user generator. So now we can move to the controller, second component. So we can go to the here and open for the controller. This is the controller. Just open this. So it is also opening load runner controller. So then after that we are able to see the like this. And here we have the manual scenario, goal wanted will be there. Manual scenario means you need to design the scenario yourself. Goal wanted scenario means system itself design the scenario. But never will go with the goal wanted scenario because so we need to design our manual only. That is why you need to select for the manual scenario only. And after that, so load runner scripts. What are the scripts developed here? All scripts will be displayed here. For today, what is our script name? Web tour. You need to select our script like web tour, flight booking, and 812, right? Uh, See, this is our script. I assume everyone able to see web tour, flight booking. This is the our script we are developed today. So this script you can add here. Just select that and click on add. So it is added. Means we are pushing this script into the controller. Okay, we are pushing this script into the controller. So you can click on OK. So once you can click on OK, we are able to see the controller like this. We have the tabs design run will be there. In the design part, you need to design the scenario. Run part, nothing but you can execute. Now we are in design part. So now you can observe this is the script name and this is the script location. Quantity, nothing but for now only one user will be there. And here load generator will be there. That is the load generator, nothing but it will generate the load against the application. So that will discuss later. Okay, no worry about that. Okay, and after that we want to execute number of users means now we are designing the scenario. Start users, click on start users. Then you can give for the 50 users you are testing. Then you can give for the 50 users. Maybe you are testing only 10 users, you can give 10. 100 users, you can give 100,000. Means number of users you need to define for here, start users. Just our point of understanding point of I'm doing for the 10 users only. Every I'm giving some condition. Every 2 users will be ramp up 0, 1 second. And duration I'm giving for the just 2 minutes. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. The same. The user
Sorry.
the number of the virtual user generator also, right?
Yes, but we can't do for the more than 50 users there because our application might crashes there because that is only for scripting point of only we are doing.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we are just designing scenario like you can observe here like this I design scenario. Total number of users will be given. You can observe quantity 10 users and duration I given for the 2 minutes and I given for the design scenario like this. Means if you want design scenario means how many users you want to execute the test, how much duration you want to execute. That will be we can design the scenario in the design part. And after that go to the run tab. Click on run tab. Then see now you can observe this is the we are selected script only web to flight booking and after that 10 users we are testing. Now 10 users will be down status. Once you can start scenario then what will happen means they will coming to the initialization ready and finally will be going to run. And after that if it is you are getting any error means you get the some errors here. Maybe you are not getting error, stop the users. Now we'll start the scenario. See, if once you can click on start, right, you can observe here all 10 users coming to running state. Now you can just click on this, how users behavior is going, you need to understand. So show users, we have 10 users will be performed, 10 tabs will open. Now you can observe everyone will do for the different transactions. So everyone will be initializing, means everyone will be just launching, state will be there. Now you can observe. So means when real time, how will happen? For example, we are total 10 numbers, 11 numbers we are there. Everyone will use same browser? No, right? I will open some different browser and someone will be open Nivedita or Vimala or someone will open different one. So same real time, how it is happening, we need to execute the test here also. So now we can observe here still. So 10 windows will open. So now we can here also you can observe total users running 7 and this is the elapsed time nothing but when you are click on start scenario it is calculated for the test duration. As of now it's a 1 minute 25 seconds completed. So some hits will happening in this and you can observe here passed transaction means how many transactions passed. Transaction nothing but launch, login, click on flight. This will be 50 passed as of now. Now we are able to see the graphs also running users, how users will be running. So during the test, maybe you are executing 1 hour means just no need to do anything, just you should monitor only. Like you are getting any errors or any transactions failing or how the test graphs is going. See, this is the all users will be running. So it's running state. And you can go to the transaction response time. So you can observe what are the transactions you are given, launch, login, and find flight. So what is the average response time? You are able to see here also. See your test is completed and this is the transaction response time. Total you can observe stop 10 users. So because you are given only 2 minutes test, 2 minutes 30 seconds, your test will be completed. Now your test is completed. Now we need to what we need to do? Next component is the analyzer. You need to analyze the results. Like you can go to the analyzer tool or we can directly go to this and current results also we can open here also. Just results, click on analyze results. So you should wait for the until 100% is completed automatically. See down now you can observe load runner analysis. This is the one more component. So this component, what we need to do means we need to just analyze the results and to find out for the any issues or we are meeting SLA or not, we need to check. That's it only. Now observe everything will be displayed. Now you can observe this is the runtime, like what time you are executed, total duration, how much time your duration executed, how many users you are executed, and this will be you can discuss later what is to put these things. Now no need. Now major thing will be this is the important for us. Each and every transaction launch, login, and after that login, click on flight and find flight and after that select flight and payment logout. Each and every transaction. Now how many users we are executed? You can observe 10. It means 10 users you are executed. 10 users average response time. You need to check for the any transaction is meeting more than 2 seconds or not. You need to check. So you can observe any transaction is taking more than 2 seconds average. So only we need to consider only average. So any transaction happen more than 2 seconds? No, right? So means your test will be good. Then this report you can send to the our teammates or in our maybe some transaction assume payment is happen 2.136 seconds. Means Actually, our SL will be 2 seconds, but it's a more than 2 seconds. Then what is your job means? You need to identify the issue. Where could be problem? Like maybe number of virtual user point of view, 10 user point of view, maybe CPU memory is not sufficient during the test. So you need to monitor for the CPU memory also. So like you can go to the task manager, just go to the performance, and you can observe CPU is a 48%, 40%. So if it is more than 80% only, okay, it is issue. So now you can observe memory also 61%. Means CPU memory also good. So maybe if it is a CPU memory good, then we need to understand like maybe it is application side issue, maybe it is a network issue, or it is a server issue. We need to dig that, and we need to once resolve that issue, again we can execute the same test, and we need to identify the any one of the transaction taking high response time or not. We need to check. So after that, we want to generate the report with the graphical also. We can see this is the running users graph, it per second, throughput, and transaction summary, like each and transaction how many times executed, we are able to see this, and average transaction response time also we are able to see here. So now we want to this report sent to our stakeholder, our client, or our teammates. Means we can generate the report. This is the reports, and click on report and report template. And now click on generate report. So automatically the report will be generated. So the entire report will be generated. Now you can observe scenario, what you are executed, what time you are executed, period, like what time to what time you are executed, total duration, how much time happened, and this is the project name. And you can observe this is the script name, and total how many number of users executed, what is the transaction per hour, and what is start time. And as same too, we can see for all statistics also workload question, like number of users, how many it's total, and total passed transaction per second. Means each per second 0.658 transaction is passing. Per minute 339.48. Now we can observe all graphs, and this is important transaction summary. Here we need important for the average response time of each and every transaction. So each and every transaction you need to observe. So this report you can send, means you can click on save here, and we have the different format will be there. If you want for the Windows or Excel or any which format you want, you can select this format. You can click on this, automatically it will generate that format. Maybe you want for the HTML file, you can select this and click on this and give where the report, give it as a okay. And after that it is asking to save where you want to save this file. So you can select for the I'm giving desktop and report, and I'm giving for the report underscore FB, nothing but flight booking, and just I'm giving for the date 08 and 12. I'm saving desktop, click on S. So it's saved. Now you can go there, and this is the report. Now you can open this report, and if you want to share this report anyone, miss, you can share this report. Okay, so this is the way we need to send the report to the everyone. It's clear everyone? For this is the end-to-end testing. As a performance testing means you need to do for the, this is the way, like first you need to do for the scripting. After that the script you can push into the controller, and how many user you want to executing you can design, and how much duration you want to execute you can decide, and you can just execute for that duration. After test is completed, you can analyze the results, like each and every transaction. We are transaction more than 2 seconds or not, we need to check. So everything is good, then directly we can send the report. If it is not good, then we need to dig the issue, and again we can do the testing. So this is only our major job. So now anyone any doubts? This is the end-to-end testing process. So tomorrow onwards we'll start with the like regular classes. So anyone any doubts regarding today section? So if you have any doubts also you can ask me.
Yes, Kiran. So basically, we are going to cover load runner tool only, or JMeter as well.
Yes, load runner, JMeter, 2 tools will cover.
And what will the course duration?
Course duration 30 to 40 days. Once complete for the load runner entire stuff, then we can move to the JMeter and we will complete for the JMeter also. Everyday class will be 1 hour. Then everyday class completed, right? I will give for the work assignments. Maybe I recorded today's script, right? Everyone also record the script and properly record with the transactions and just execute that script in the controller. No, only in views and only execute 10 users and send the report. So this kind of every day I will give for the different URLs and you need to record and then you need to send for the report to everyone.
One doubt, sir. So we are just today we have seen that response time only, sir. What
Yes.
other things we will be looking into it other than response time?
So
Like,
it is
yeah.
actually we need to monitor for the actually major thing will be response time only. So if it is everything response time good, then no need to dig the anything. Maybe it's response time not good only. You need to identify the maybe CPU memory is not sufficient, maybe application side issue, a network issue, a DB side issue. You need to dig. So as same to when you are sending the report, right? You can send for the transaction response times along with the server side resource also, like each and every server, what is the CPU utilization, memory utilization during the test.
Oh,
What is Nivedita?
yeah, yes, sir.
Any course flow document we are going to cover this?
Sorry, your voice is not clear, Sadiq.
Any course flow or document we are
Yeah,
going
we
to
have
cover
document
in
will
this.
be there. Everything I will provide for the material. That what are the like concepts we can cover and everything will be there.
Any APM tool we are going to cover in this
Yes,
class?
yeah, we can cover for the app dynamics, side scope, performance. Is app dynamic is the APM tool.
Okay, yes. And regarding project, are we going to cover JPEG store or any additional?
Yeah, we have the JPEG store and web tour and same to the we have the zero bank account and we have the some blazimeter. So we have different will be there. So because everything will be, so I will be do for the maybe Pestor or web tour only, but I will give for the everyone will be different URL. You need to record and do for the scripting completed. That is the way I will give for the everyone will be different URL for every day.
Yes, sure.
So everything will be your hand. You need to practice more because I will do for the 1 hour complete. After that, everything in your hand. You need to practice because we have the different URL in the market. You can take that URL, you can record because everything is, this is the very important thing is important. Very good opportunity for this perform testing. What is that means? So everything will be what I told today, right? End-to-end testing. Same thing I can do for the my testing also. So classes also same thing is going. That is why you are when you are learning this course, right? Your good practice will be good. Then you are able to without anyone support also you can do for the project.
I